Hey there, Greymanes! In this video, I am going to show you how you can get the Palmar Pill in Crimson Desert. Now, if you are quite unfamiliar what the Palmar Pill is, it is the item that pretty much revives you when you fall in combat. Now, currently in my location right now, as you can see, there is a waterfall right in front of me and a river down there. Now, currently in the map, I'm over right here. Let me just show you the all here. I'm right next to Shadow's Whisper Cave. Now, Hernan Town is pretty much just right down here, so you really only need to follow this road that goes up north and then go a little bit off-road. Now, a little bit over here to the left side, this should be a mountainside as you can see from my perspective right here. Now, once again, I'm going to show you the landscape right here so you can find where this location is because it is hidden inside a crack as you can see right here. Now, if you are at the top of the mountain, you can just jump straight down, go to the crevice here, go straight, and you should be able to see the entrance right here. Now immediately you're going to find a big tree, and to the right of you will be a witch called Sylvia that can embed and extract abyss gear for you. Now if you're looking at her, if you take a look to the right, you can find the alchemy formula for the Palmar Pill. Now just press E to take it. She won't really mind if you take this one. This is basically for free for you. You gotta pick it up and then press Ctrl so you can read all of the contents. And once you've taken that recipe, there is also a Palmar Pill right here and another one right next to it. So try to take some so you can replenish your supply of Palmar Pill. And as a bonus tip for you guys, there is an Abyss Nexus right here, right next to the entrance right over there. So you might want to get this one so you can immediately fast travel right next to the witch's entrance. And that's pretty much it about how to get the Palmar Pill recipe in Crimson Desert.